What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fatkat bringing you another video. Of course, man, today is the day. I'm not even gonna procrastinate. I'm not even gonna do anything. You guys already know, man. You guys have been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this personally, and here we go, man. So today is the day. So like I said, I'm at Uneek Rides. As you guys know, my boy Gabe from the last video, he did the Wicker Bill. Another little goodie that some of you guys might have said already, kind of hinted to what it was. With all of my videos, you guys already see, man. All of my videos, I always put like a little clue here and there, whatever, so you guys could kind of, you know, get what might be going on. But anyway, I don't want to talk too much. We're here to reveal how it looks and the car and everything else, man. So let's go, man. Let's get into it. So there you go, man. So you guys see it, man. So I got the Wicker Bill in the back, and then I did do my calipers, man. I did my calipers, body match paint, go mango to the car, man. So there you go. And as you guys can see, man, in there, right, instead of putting Brembos back on there, or you know, the name Brembo, had them put Mopar on it. So, you know, something just a little bit different, just to kind of change it up a little bit. I know everybody puts Brembo back on it, but I put Mopar to kind of, you know, represent the Mopar family, man. So there you go. And as you guys can see, even though I'm not a big fan, as you guys already know, I'm not a big fan of stickers and vinyls all over the car, I had to do it because I gotta advertise, man. This car gets a lot of attention. So what better way to advertise the channel than putting my channel name on the car? So like I said, you guys already know I'm not a big fan of it, but I had to do it because, like I said, it gets a lot of attention, and no other better way than to advertise and to put it on there, man. So there you go. Here's the car, man. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think, man. Carbon fiber Wicker Bill. You guys can see the carbon fiber in there. I think it definitely came out good, man, doing the body match paint with the carbon fiber, so that way the carbon fiber sticks out a little bit. Now on the back here, the bolts are black right now, but I think I might have them, you know, come back and have them do them orange, so they could kind of stand out, the bolts. So, you know, do the same, basically body match the bolts to the orange of the car, so that way, you know, kind of break up the, you know, the spoiler back here, and then you have the orange bolts going across here to match with the car. What do you guys think on that? Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know. But alright, man, so there you go, man. So there you go. So far, first mod to the car was the Wicker Bill. Body match paint the calipers, changed the brakes as well. I did change the brakes to the Power Stop brakes. I had him do it since the wheels were already off, and he had to take the brakes out of the calipers anyway, so I just had him throw the Power Stops on there, so hopefully no more brake dust. And then that's it, man. So what do you guys think so far? Like I said, this is the first of many mods. You know, we got a lot more to go, but like I said, it's the first of many, and we're gonna keep going, man. So like I said, right after this, I'm gonna go and do the next set of mods, which you guys already seen them as far as the unboxing the other day. So we're gonna get that. I'm gonna put that on the car, and then we're gonna keep going, man. Make sure you guys comment down below again and let me know what you guys think so far. Like I said, this is the first thing, man, first of many, and we're gonna keep going. so you guys can see what's now we're back home. Man, I think it came out great, man. What do you guys think? Again, like I already said, what do you guys think? Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know. Like I said, so we did the, obviously we did the color match calipers again. We put Mopar on there. We did the color match spoiler, right? And then we did the carbon fiber Wicker Bill. And then we did the, obviously the little decals or vinyls on the windows or whatever else on the front and back. So what do you guys think, man? Like I said, this is just the beginning. You got other stuff to come. Oh, actually, and I did put, I don't know if you guys can see, it didn't make that much of a difference, but I did put the 3mm spacers on the back as well, but it still kind of sinks in. So I might need to do a little bit more. But we'll see. I mean, I'm gonna end up getting wider wheels anyway. This is just a temporary thing, but this is just for now. So I might end up getting a little bit more, but we'll see. We'll see how it works out. But anyway, man, other than that, as you guys can see, man, I got my buckets out, I got my water hose out, I'm getting ready to wash it. Oh, let me get a little bit more lighting here. Yeah, a little bit better. Yeah, man, so as you guys can see, man, I got my buckets out, I got my water hose, got everything else, man. So you know me, no matter what, I have to wash it and wax it and everything else myself, because that's just what I do. So appreciate you guys for checking in. Of course, like I always say, man, I'm your boy Fatkat. Make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys hit that notification bell, because this is just the beginning. We got a lot more going on. Like I said, I'm getting ready to go do the catless bent pipes that I unboxed the other day. I'm getting ready to go do that here. Actually, the guy, he closes on the weekend. We ended up getting the car. I don't know if you guys can know, this video is coming out a day late because I didn't get to pick it up Friday night because he was trying to let some paint cure and everything else. And anyway, so it ended up being you know, the next day. So the guy who does the mufflers or the exhaust, he closes on a weekend, Saturday, like midday Saturday, and he closes on Sunday. So I'm not gonna be able to do it this weekend, so we'll get those on the car next week and we'll keep it going, man. So anyway, other than that, make sure you guys keep checking in, make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you don't want to miss what's going on. Like I said, I got a lot more things planned for this car. And like I said, if you don't know, the way I'm doing the modding on this car is every time I hit a certain subscriber milestone, I'm gonna do another mod to the car. So the Wicker Bill and all the stuff that we did today was for the 500 subscriber milestone. The catless mid pipes and all that was for the 1,000. And I know we're pretty much way above that, man, because you guys are killing it. You guys are, man, like I cannot keep up with the subscriptions, man. I greatly appreciate it. All the love and support that I've been getting thus far. So in the comments and everything else especially. But other than that, man, once I get the muffler, the catless mid pipes on there, and then like I said, I got a little more extra things that I don't tell you guys, obviously, that we're gonna be doing as well. So, but once I get all that stuff done, then we'll set the bar for the next milestone count. So we'll do that for the next time we come around, man. Once we get that on, I'll let you guys know what the next one's gonna be. So anyway, other than that, man, again, I appreciate it. And as I always say, man, we see you guys on the next one, man.